It's half decent, eh?
Like a double header.
Double header, that's all right.
That's why it feels half decent.
Two half decent ones. All right, we're off to a good start. We're here on Lake Erie, just off of Crystal Beach. We're in 56 feet of water, guys, and we're doing pretty good. We just got started. It's Al Madalena here with my buddies Ed and Roger. It's about 7:30, and we're picking them up with minnows and pickerel rig. Bigger than the last one, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. That's a beauty.
There's the way we like them.
All right. Attaboy, Roger. Nice job. Jumbo fishing on Lake Erie, eh? Jumbo perch fishing. Nothing better.
Buddy's got one.
Got another one here. All right, we're just starting. It's pretty good so far. Just got here. It's about 7:30 off of Crystal Beach. A bit windy today. Got an east wind, about seven knots.
Yeah, we'll see.
Got some marks on the bottom here, guys. Take a look.
We'll give you a call, yeah.
Got some good ones.
Yeah. Okay. Very fine. Pulling again for Laker.
Got a nice school going through. You got another big one? You got another big one on?
Good size.
Holy smokes, you're getting them all. You're making us all look bad, Raj.
Well, when you're good, you're good.
Can you say, right?
It's the lucky new lucky rod. It's not too big though. It's not bad. It's the average.
You're saying that was big?
Well, it's hard to tell.
Marking a few more. Look at that. They're right there. Yeah, that's a keeper for sure. Nicely done, Ed. Attaboy.
You can tell by that rod is really bent over.
It's bigger, eh?
Or it's a double. So a little 2-pound lake trout.
Oh, he's a good size. Yeah, nicely done, buddy.
There we go. That's
all right. You're the man today. You're the man today, buddy. Attaboy.
Nice fish.
Nice fish. That's a jumbo fur ten. Some really good marks here. We got a good spot. Those are good marks.
We gotta give credit to the captain. He knows the spots.
Well, somebody's got to put us over the fish. Yeah, we got a good spot here. Right on. Want to move, boys?
No. I'm not quite content right here.
Superstar, rock star today. Oh, double header. Nice double header. Yeah, they're both nice. All right, well done again. You prick. Another nice one, Ed. Nicely done. Show it. All right, buddy. Good job. Got another decent one here.
This is double header.
Double header.
2 decent ones.
Yep. 2 decent ones. Good job. I might want to get the little camera out, huh? Let's see. Okay, put your money where your mouth is, pal. That better be big. Well, yeah, that's what I'm doing. Okay, yeah, it is pretty big. Yeah. Okay, buddy. Okay. All right, kudos there. Yeah.
Look at that.
Yeah, that's a nice fish.
And a little
All right, hold it up for the cameraman.
And his little friend.
too.
And his little friend too, yeah. Well, don't cover him with your hands.
Yeah, that's a nice
All right, there you go. All right, good job.
Same size.
Nice
as
one.
yours,
Beautiful. Lake
Yeah,
Erie perch.
same size as mine, yeah. We're still marking them on the screen too, look.
To both sides.
Pretty hard to hold the camera steady today.
Yeah.
Just
another nice one.
Another nice one.
Another nice one. Look at all the minnows in that guy's mouth.
Mouthful
We're
of
into
minnows.
the. I think we're into the post spawn. They're in a feeding frenzy here for minnows. Right after they finish spawning. Another half decent one? Yeah, right on. That's an eater. Beauty. Nicely done.
That's 80.
Ed, you haven't caught something in a while.
I'm at my limit.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, right.
This thing was just laying there with it.
You're just laying with it,
This
eh?
is a double header.
Couldn't tell it was there.
I
Eh?
think a bigger fish on that rod.
It's a double header.
The bottom one's happy.
Bottom one's half decent. Yeah, they're both half decent.
You can live with both of them.
Yeah, we're doing pretty good.
What's that, about 83?
83? Good. This better be a good fish. You're making me pull the camera out. That's a decent fish.
That's pretty decent.
Yeah. Yeah, you didn't disappoint, buddy. Nice job. Videoing. Seems like I'm always videoing you.
Better you, because
No.
I probably couldn't. I don't know how to use it. I just know how to use a fishing rod.
Oh, that's a nice fish. Yeah. Right on.
There you go. That's how you do it, Al.
Gee, thanks, Raj. I didn't know how to do that. Yeah, prick. How about you? You're just stuffing your face. You caught anything lately?
Well, a lot of fish are small though.
I know.
That's how we do it.
Oh, he got
Oh, there you go. Show him to the camera. All right. Got him on the drift. That's a nice fish. Right on. That looks okay.
Right? Oh!
You were just about to lose him.
I'm gonna lose him. Get over here, you stun. Get over here. That's how you catch them twice.
Just about lost him, eh, buddy? Okay.
Fish for a double.
Really nice one there, big double, eh?
Maybe the jumbo double here. But this is one fish that's nice. Double. Just two nice double. Double. Look at that double.
Oh yeah,
That's double of the day, guys.
That
I
is it.
guarantee it.
That's it.
It's the best double
All
of
right.
the day.
Nice job, man. Hold him up. Right on. Good job.
Take them two at a time. 160. And another single behind us.
Can't even get it in the screen, Raj. Put it back.
I can't move back too much here and I'm going to lose them.
Nice double. Beautiful. All right. Well done.
That's 130, eh?
Yeah, 130.
We might make. Oh, yeah.
It's a good size
Oh,
one.
yeah, this is nice. Watch it, these damn sheep headers up. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is this thing? This ain't no perch, man.
It's not a perch.
No damn way that's a perch.
Well,
Maybe
it
a
could
nice
be a
walleye.
walleye. It could be a nice walleye.
Oh, maybe. Oh, yeah. This is a this guy size.
Never caught a walleye with
This is size,
just
baby.
jigging for perch.
This thing is pulling like.
Keep right over.
Here, I can put on that 6 pound.
Might have a bit of a tangle.
Alright, deal with tangles.
What do we got here?
Let it slide.
Slide, yeah.
Okay, yours is almost off. Just, boy, she's got some. We got a hold of something, baby. Whoa. Come on, honey. Okay, there, you're almost going off.
It's not a sheephead.
Yeah, It's still fun.
Just keep going.
Still fun.
Watch it.
Still fun. Oh, you crazy? Whose line's that? Al's?
It's probably mine.
Let's see if we can get that out there. I see pulling. Whoa, 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 whoa. What do we got here?
You got the gas.
Oh, we got a big tangle.
I've never seen a fish do that.
Oh, he's a nice trout.
You got no net?
It's a lake trout.
You got no net?
No.
Rainbow, Al.
Is it a rainbow?
Yeah.
I didn't get a chance to look at it.
Lakers are out of season, I think.
Not out here. Everything's in season. International waters.
Next one. Oh, you can get that in the boat.
Don't you worry. I'm gonna stick my hand right down his throat.
Let it ultralight. Get it.
I'll play this guy until cows come home, until he lays belly up.
Let's get a look at him. Yeah. Nice rainbow.
How the fuck did you get that in?
Nice fish, man. Nice fish.
Too bad he's out of season.
Yeah, gotta put him back.
But it was fun.
Yeah, it was beautiful.
Fun
Beautiful.
ultralight.
Right on.
I'm gonna let him go.
Okay, guys, we had a great day on Lake Erie, eh? There's some of the bigger ones. Beautiful. We got our limit today. Raj, Ed, nice job, guys. Excellent. Well done.
Oh,
Okay, so we wrapped up a great day of fishing on Lake Erie. We were straight out of Crystal Beach for a while, and then we moved over to Point Abino into 56 feet of water, and we scored pretty well. So we got our limit. Had a great day. Wind was pretty windy in the beginning, but it's calmed right down.
That was nice.
So still Point Abino, still pretty hot. It's May 18th. Get out there, guys. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.